Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to use custom CSS to customize your cards collections and place tags on the images. Check out the final result. You have tags on images, one or two tags, allowing you to display some information that you want to show in a more professional way. By the end of this video, you'll be able to achieve this on your own Glide app. Before we dive in, I'd like to introduce my agency, Less Code. We can build Glide apps from scratch, but we can also customize your existing apps to make them look less like Glide and more like your unique vision and brand. If you need any help with your Glide projects, reach out to lesscode.agency. We'd be happy to help. For this tutorial, I'll be using our digital property listings template. It's a great starting point for real estate and property management apps. If you're a property manager, you can list the units you have for rent, and walk-in clients can scan the code and see all the information. You can add any information on the property and its amenities, as well as the neighborhood and nearby services. There's a contact us section where users can fill in inquiries and frequently answered questions. It comes with an admin panel where you can customize and edit all the information in the app. If you're interested in this template, reach out to us. It comes with a 1 month trial period for free. So let's now walk through the custom CSS required to create this effect. I'll duplicate this custom collection here and let's name it demo and remove the CSS classes. This is the default Glide cards collection. What we want to do is actually just put these buttons on the top and make them non-interactive, and fix their width so that they just fill in what they need to fill in, make them look like tags. And so let's call it tag. The CSS class name is tagged. And then in the custom CSS, let's go to the bottom here and say tag. I gave it a border just so you can see what we're working with. And I don't want to work with the entire, I want to say where the div has a class name that includes the string style div3. You can see there's multiple divs with this name. I'll add another string style card collection card. So if I do this, I know I'm playing around with this div. And I want to say for this div, just put the position absolute, top 15 pixels, left 15 pixels. Make the width auto. You see it's gone to the top of the card and on top of everything else. So that's this section has been fixed. Now what I want to do is style the buttons. So I say for the tag button, I can say, let's say font size 1.1 rem, font weight 500, letters, spacing -1 pixels, width auto. You can see the buttons have changed style as well. But I want to make sure I don't change other buttons. For example, let's say if there's a page numbers or other divs that are buttons, let's make sure I add a class here and I say only the button where the class contains the string card collection card. So this only updates these buttons here, these action buttons. What I can do now is I can actually style a button uh, considering its title. So this button over here, if I go to the layout and I say the action, and I can see that this action has a title featured. So what I can do is I can go to the custom CSS, and I just copy this entire section. I remove the styles and I say if the button area label is featured Then this button, I want the background color gold, color black. What this does is it changes only this button. One more thing I need to do is in the button here, I can add this pointer events none, which makes this button completely non-interactive. So if I click, I go to the unit, to the card's detail screen, the action on the card. Yep. So it's quite easy to do this. You can play around, give it a try. It makes the app way more professional